Welcome to my second Sunday series. This Sunday, I am twisting out and telling my truth. So stay tuned.
This is very stylish.
I will be my own storyteller, and what I want to remember is that documenting is an act of love, and my life is worth remembering.
So, every month, I'm going to be dropping 2 videos. One video is going to be an installation video where I install mini twist, or I do flat twist, or I do a style that I install. And then the second Sunday, so it's the first and second Sundays of the month, the second Sundays will be about me twisting out that hairstyle or releasing that hairstyle and talking about my truth, a truth that I've learned or something that I've been holding on to that I'm finally able to release and let go. So Sunday 1 is let it go, and Sunday 2 is let it grow. Okay, so today we're doing twist out and some truth. I'm getting ready for work. I don't have to go and be on site until like 1:30. It's almost 11 now, and I want to talk to you about my truth. And it's important that I say it out loud because we kind of been talking about natural hair, and I've been doing this channel for a while, so I want to talk about it. And that is that some people might think that natural hair or natural afro hair is for children. Okay? Or for weekends. Or for when you're not trying to be taken seriously. Like it's not a grown woman hairstyle. Like it's not professional. I always talk about my natural hair journey, how I started my natural hair journey 26 years ago. Almost 26 years ago. And the one thing about me being a teacher in New York City is I've never changed my hair for an interview. I've never changed my hair for a special occasion, like made it straight. And most of the time I sweat it out anyway. So I'm just here to say that my natural hair has grown with me. I'm over 40, and as a teacher in New York City, I haven't had to change my hair for working. And I think sometimes we confuse flat, straight hair with professional hair. And we equate natural afro kinky textured hair with unprofessionalism or even immaturity. Right? Say that professionalism isn't about flattering yourself. It's about how you show up, how you think, how you treat people, how you do your work. And for the most part, people will ask me how I did my hair as opposed to you should cover your hair up. And texture has nothing to do with that. Kinkiness, tight curls have nothing to do with that. Even those that have looser curls than me, your hair is still professional because you are working in a professional setting, not because the setting demands you to shrink or for you to be less. Okay? And I feel like I am an unapologetic black woman that is rooted in my Afrocentricity. And what that means is I'm not going to hide myself because somebody thinks that this is ugly, that my hair is too short, that it's not what makes me a baddie. There's a whole conversation on TikTok about, oh, I'm never going to be a baddie, I'm going to be a cutie patootie. And it's okay to be a cutie patootie at 40, at 50, at 60, at 70, or whatever. But I do think that natural hair is grown. And it's grown because I'm grown. It's professional because I'm professional. Or a trend that I'm following. It's not something that I'm doing for a little bit. Now, I get that some people have returned back to relaxing, but I can't. I have seborrheic dermatitis, and it will just get worse if I relax my hair. So mini twists have been my go-to. And the truth is, I don't have to change my look to be more of anything. And I'm on this channel now to make sure that whatever I document is the real me. Whatever you see in this world, in my world, in my YouTube world, is me and all me. I want you to be able to see my grandmother's nose, my mom's lips, my grandmother's gums, my father's knees, if that allows it. I remember he was in a hospital and he told me, he said, wow, me and you got the same knees. And we sure did. Be sure to, may he rest in peace. But all that to say that I look like my people, and my people exist, and they existed so that I can exist. And that's how I treat my hair. I treat my hair as if it's supposed to be here. It's supposed to be in settings wherever I am. And that's the bottom line.
And if my hair belongs in every setting, then so do I. We're unapologetic. I arrive as I am. There's no need to change. And as I'm releasing and unraveling these twists, I'm also letting go of the need to be pretty, the need to look good, any of that. I'm just documenting my life and bearing witness.
So this is how I go to work. This is how I show up. This is my grown up life with natural hair. And in case you were wondering, natural hair doesn't age out. If any of this resonated with you, you're welcome here. Subscribe at your own leisure, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye. And now, I'm off to work. See ya.